This is a papaya. It's only a small one, this one. They come in various sizes.
Yeah, all Thai people like it.
All Thai people like it. Okay. So I've cut one in half, took the seeds out, and I'm just going to peel it. Just gently peel it. Not too hard. Just to get the green off.
This is a Thai favourite dish. Yeah. Papaya salad. Pop up.
What I'll do is take the tool that we used earlier for the massaman, and just on the corner, just lightly peel. What you're looking for is nice just nice uniformed pieces of the papaya.
It's nice and gentle. We're doing all of this first. Doesn't take long at all. So you don't chop your fingers off. I know, that's why I turned it round. I've already cut it there then. Made my big hands.
Okay, right. Here's the ingredients we'll be using today. You got the shredded papaya that I did earlier. That's it before I shredded it. Thai chilies, red and green, mixed there. About probably about 10 each. We're going to use some limes and some small tomatoes. What we got here is some fish sauce. What's that called, boss?
Bala. I don't know what English called.
Right. Well, you can see the bottle there if you want to go to your local Thai shop. Again, Thai people add this to everything they cook. Again, I'm not sure what's called. It's got umami seasoning, but you can see by the packet. I'll try and find out what its English name is. And again, what's that called?
Macam.
Macam. Again, we've mixed that with some water to make a paste. And we'll be using this beast. Yeah, all in there, gently crushing it.
Pop, pop.
Pop, pop.
Papaya, pop, pop.
Pop, yeah, pop, pop. So, I'll start off with some chilies. The mixed chilies. They all go into the bowl. As well as just two cloves of garlic. Now, because I've touched them chilies, be very careful. Don't be rubbing your face or your eyes, because you will get a sting. And what we want to do is smash these up together. It's not like other things where you roll it and make a paste. You just smash it, pop, pop. You might want to put your hand over the top, because if it splashes up in your eyes, you'll know about it. And this is the exercise part. Right, I've moved to the front room to smash this up. It's easy just to sit down, relax. Starting to get there.
Little bit.
A little bit more, boss.
Okay, boss. I like that, boss. You enjoying your glass of wine there, boss?
Yeah, that okay. Yes, that,
Yeah, I'm just going to get that garlic crushed up.
that good.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, boss?
Really good.
Yeah, brilliant. Going to add some tomatoes. Tomatoes are mostly water, so again, be careful when you're hitting these. You're going to get a lot of juice flying around, so be careful. Protect your eyes.
It is quite painful. And again, just back to crushing everything up. Pop, pop. Just nice and slowly. Get all the juices out. It's roughly about 10. Okay, all that's squashing together. I think, boss. A bit of lime. Bit of lime. Squeeze the juice in. Just put in. Just put in.
Bit of lime, just chuck in. Skin on and everything. Oh, need a bigger bowl.
Yeah, just put macam.
What I'm going to do is add some macam. I'll just add half of it for now.
Because it tastes sour.
Yeah. This gives the dish a sour taste. I'll just put half in for now.
Put everything in. Fish
We'll put-
sauce,
A bit of fish sauce. Say when?
just a little bit.
A bit of,
I don't know what English call.
what's the Thai name?
Yeah, pala.
Bala. Same amount? About a tablespoon? Teaspoon?
More. Yeah, okay.
Teaspoon and a half then. And some of this unknown white substance. Say when?
Okay, enough.
So just a small amount of that, half a teaspoon. And that's what, all that.
Mix everything.
Yeah, back to pop. Back to crushing. Right, and last of all, add your papaya. Definitely need a bigger bowl. Oh, look at them Thai.
Need to mix everything.
Yes.
Just do one way, one side. Yeah, that's it. Really good.
So one side. Is that sort of tosses it round?
Look good. You really good cook, mate.
Well, I've got a good teacher. And what's this called?
Som tam
Some tam.
in Thai.
Yeah.
But we we call papaya salad or papaya pok, but we call som tam.
Sometime.
Everyone like it.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. Looking good. What's this called?
I don't know what English call.
What's Thai?
มะเขือ
Makua.
มะเขือ
And this?
แบบปู
Oh, it's bamboo.
ส้มต
What's it called, boss?
ำส้มต
Sometime.
ำพาพายาสลัด
Papaya.
พาพายาสลัด
Papaya salad. Very good. Does it look okay?
อืม